Hello, I'm Suzzanne. This is a quick video to show how to make objects metallic in Blender. In this tutorial, I will use Monkey Suzzanne, so we can go to Add, Merge, and add Monkey Suzzanne here. I close up to it and change the angle, something like this, and then we can make it smooth. Now we can select Monkey Suzzanne and then go to Modifier Properties and add the modifier. Go to Generate, we can find Subdivision Surface Modifier. Select it to make it smooth in geometry. If you want to make looking smooth, we can use right click and then we can use shade smooth. Next, we can add material. Before doing this, we can go to switch to material preview. We can see that Monkey Suzzanne is white. It hasn't any material, so we can select it and then go to material properties and then go to add a new material. And then we can find that Principled BSDF shade look is added. Next, we can go to base color to change the color. We can change it to blue or we can pick pink. I will pick pink. Next, we can change metallic to 1 to make it metallic. And then we can go to roughness. If we want to make it matte, we can increase the value. If we want to make it shiny, we can reduce the value. So this is how we can make objects metallic in Blender. Thank you for watching this video. Hope this helped. Please subscribe to this channel. More video will be shared with you. I'm Suzzanne. See you in the next video.